think. And it's a penny. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, got one in the 50s, we gotta dig it. And it's a quarter. Alright, let's keep at it. I got something here, high 40s. Let's find it. And it's a dime. Alright, let's keep going. And we got one right here. Alright, let's keep going. Now I got low 40s. Let's find it. And it's a penny. Alright. Something high 30s. Let's go ahead and find it. And it's an old penny. Alright. Alright, got something here. 46, 47. That's a penny. And we got a date. Oh, bicentennial, 1976. Alright, let's keep at it. We got something here, probably trash, but let's go ahead and dig it. And we have ourselves a 22. Alright. Let's keep going. And we have another penny right here on the surface. Alright, let's keep at it. Oh, there's something here, so let's get it. And it's looks like a part of a, maybe a Porsche. Alright, let's keep at it. Alright, we got another penny right here. Alright, let's keep at it. I got something else here. 40s. And it's a penny. And another penny right there. Alright, two on the surface. Let's keep at it. Alright, looks like another one right there. Alright. Another penny right there. Alright. Getting them on the ground scores today. Let's keep at it. Alright, we got another train going by. Well, we got something right here, and it's a penny right on the surface. 1977, very good year. Let's keep at it. And saw that staring up at me. Gotta take a googly eye. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm under this bench right now, so got something right there. have ourselves another dime. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, got some stuff around here, so let's find it. And we have a quarter. Alright. Let's keep at it. Alright, I'm under another bench here and getting this good signal, so let's dig in. And it's 10 cents. Alright. Let's keep at it. Alright, got something here. Let's see what it is. And it's another penny. Alright. Alright, got like 42, so let's find it. And it's a penny. Alright. Alright, got one of the 40s again, or the 50s again, so we gotta dig it. And it's a quarter. Alright. Let's keep at it. Alright. Something here. We have a key. Alright. Go find the keys. Alright, let's keep it. Alright, 54. Let's find it. Part of an old doorknob. Alright, high 40s to 50, so let's find it. We have ourselves a have us a dime. Oh, can't make the date. Doubt if it's silver, but it's a dime. Maybe 1981. All right. Oh, something's here. And we got a dime. All right. All right, we got a dime. Let's keep at it. All right, got something here. All right, let's get this one. And another dime. I don't lose it in the grass. All right, and another dime. All right, let's keep at it. Well, there's something here, so let's get it. Yeah, it's starting to rain a little bit, so alright. It's starting to rain a little bit, so I'm going to call it. And I'll come back to this park here sooner or later, so we'll see you at home for the wrap up. Alright, I'm back home, so let's do a quick little wrap up. Already threw away the trash I found. We got to empty my trash part of my little bag, and so I don't have any trash to show you. Alright, we got 18 zinc pennies, 5 coppers, the oldest is 1967. We got 6 dimes, 5 quarters. Found a couple little buttons off the clothes, hunk of metal, the rear end for a Porsche, 22, a googly eye, and a key. So I guess the find of the day either has to be the key or the googly eye. Love googly eyes. And I guess that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for my subscribers, and remember to be good to yourself, be good to others, and we shall see you next time.